Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm sharing with you guys easy way to get rid of the burnt on food and stuff that's on top of your glass top, how to go ahead and clean this off and looking brand new again. So let's get started. I'm going to start by just sprinkling baking soda across here. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. The baking soda is just going to work as a abrasive and help kind of almost work like grains of sand to help just kind of lift everything up. It's going to work like an exfoliant. Now in the spray bottle here, all I have in here is vinegar and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. The dish soap is going to work like a natural degreaser. Obviously, we all know what dish soap is used for. It's gonna help just break everything apart. Vinegar just works the best in my opinion. I just love using vinegar because it's more natural and it's really affordable. I'm just gonna take my soft sponge here and just kind of work in circular motions across the entire glass top until I'm really satisfied that I got everything up. And then I'm gonna take a clean washcloth and just kind of wipe everything down, get all of the extra gunk off here. You can always go ahead and let this mixture sit on here for a couple minutes at a time to help loosen everything up if your glass top is in a little bit worse shape than mine currently is. I definitely have to do that every once in a while, but I'm just gonna go ahead and work this in. And of course, I'll show you guys the finished product, but it really is just a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of extra time. This is the end result of the glass top stove cleaning. It's a lot better than what it is, and I love this because it works and you don't need a scraper. If your stove was really bad, you might want to have to repeat this like 1 or 2 times. Let it sit for a while, like I mentioned in the beginning, before you go ahead in with your circular motions. That would probably work the best. Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean your nasty glass top stove. I have a ton of burnt on stuff on here, and today we're using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleaner. As you can see, it says it's scratch free, cleans and polishes. This works really well if you're not into making your own homemade cleaners like I am. It's super simple. Just squirt it all over your glass stove, grab a dry washcloth and start buffering it in. I like to work in circle motions, small circles, just working my way across the glass top, really focusing in on any hard burnt on areas, letting that cream cleanser sitting on a little bit more thick in certain areas where it needs a little bit more help. And then the weapon of choice here is your handy dandy cleaning toothbrush. I went ahead and got mine and used it in all the little nooks and crannies. Any of those really hard burnt on spots, I like to use a soft bristle toothbrush for this, just because it does work really well. It doesn't scratch the glass top or anything, and it really helps lift off any of those burnt on spots that need a little bit more TLC than others. And then once that is all done, I take a wet washcloth, wipe it down, and there you go. Your glass top is looking brand new and ready to be made a big mess again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.